cover the most major components for the microwave, the parts, and the name of the parts that we have in the microwave. And if you'd like to see more information on the video, stay tuned. We got something stored in for you. And you can also subscribe and hit that notification bell button below. That way you get notified new videos. Thank you for watching. But always remember to unplug it from the electricity before working on any appliances. As you can see right here, we have the cooling fan that cools down the magnetron, and we have the high voltage transformer, and we have the capacitor. Then down here, we got the diode, our main control board that we have the relays. Back here we have switches. We have the light socket switch. We have the high limit for the magnetron, and we have the cavity high limit fuse. We also have a filter control board.